uzoyithinile lendaba ngoyithinile unina kabahle selutshana athi umzukulu ufile ngale album.
Picking Up Girls versus Lebogang and Just LG.
Yeah. Sup, Themba nimnandi. Let's get back. Sibone ukuthi kashelwa kwenziwani. Asibone bathini? Kambe bathini? Riz. Yeah. Sibone Riz.
Gosh, I hate that name.
It reads as tin.
That's a weird word.
I need your help.
Where does it come from? It's like these terms, I can't keep up anymore.
Charisma, I think it comes from UK. I think they.
Oh, it's a UK term. Riz. Oh, charisma. Okay,
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I need your help with something. So,
Whatever happened to Dudlu Ntombi? Hlukane deyibhaya.
well, I need help putting my earrings in, and my mom always told me that beautiful women are gentle.
Really?
I don't want to be.
Hey yo, what's good? Your boy KayBee McGymsALot, aka Big Man I Like KayBee, aka the smoothest man on the tube. Thanks for not being a hater, bro.
I
You
said
know what I'm
on the
saying? No.
tube.
Yeah.
He said
That's
smoothest man, I said
no,
on
it's
the
fine.
tube.
It's fine.
Yeah, you
It's fine.
smooth,
Yeah, basically, guys, as y'all can see, y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all read the title. This is now part 2 of Picking Up Girls versus Mr.
Bro, it's your boy Big and Jabs, guys. So, guys, I'm representing Lebs at 3, top 2 but not 2, baby. You guys can see Christian Dior. We have LV3, the shirt I'm not gonna mention, guys, but possible.
Y'all going back to another video, baby. Part 2 is officially here. Y'all asked for it. It's here now. Make sure to like, comment, share. Y'all are pagans. And subscribe.
Hello. How are you doing? I'm good. You are? What's your name? Nata. I'm KayBee. Are you coming from the gym? No. Oh, cool. So listen, Nata, it's like my first day here at UP. Like, do you study here? Yeah, it's like my first day here, you know, and I need like, I feel like, I don't want to be like, you know, forward, but I feel like I need to already find my wife, you know, so I don't waste time, you know. So I feel like, obviously, we can't just like skip to marriage, you know. We got to start by, obviously, we're drinking water, we're making sure that we help, you know. Got the water, got the power, we stay hydrated. And then we can go for like dates, you know what I'm saying? Do you like sunsets or sunrises?
Both, I guess.
Both. Oh, beautiful stuff. So you know what? Now,
Focus,
we're
focus,
gonna
focus.
link at like where's the best place to see like the sunset? Where do you think is the best place?
I don't know, on top of the studios, but I have to
On top of. Okay, so listen, and let me get your number, and then like I'll text you later. Is that cool, Chi? Okay, sure. Let me just real quick.
Yo, hey, sorry. How
The
are you?
Playboy. When last did I hear the word Playboy? Oh, wait.
Picking Up Girls is simple sometimes, you know.
Playboy. Who says that?
When
Playboy. He's a playboy. Nah, it's bad.
yeah, it probably is.
Sorry, how are you?
Okay.
I'm good. Sorry, my name is Hunter, so I need your help with something.
Yeah.
So, you know Chris Brown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm doing a song with him now, and like, the thing is I don't know how to dance now, but I know beautiful women always know how to dance. So like, I need your help to like teach me.
I can't dance.
You can't dance?
Yeah, I can't.
Damn. But anyway, even if you can't dance, you know, maybe, like what you doing afterwards?
After studying class,
After class, yeah.
I need to write an assignment.
Now, can you even, what do you study?
Studying informatics.
Informatics. Yeah, nah, maybe, you know, maybe like I'll make a website for when we get married, you know what I mean? Like,
Are you serious?
I'm joking.
Just kidding.
I'm just joking. But it's nice to meet you.
Excuse me, ladies, how are you?
That was it.
You guys good?
Yeah, the first guy was smoother.
Yeah, umhlolile.
No, I think it's because he was too specific. Like, he was oddly too specific.
Yeah, Chris Brown umdanso.
Dancing.
And like webehanjani? Isitori sakhe like asinampendulo if you get.
I think he's...
Because you have to anticipate what you'd say back.
I think maybe his strategy was too focused on how she might respond. Like,
Yeah.
maybe if she said, okay, well, like, I can
Dance, then let's book a home studio, dance,
Yeah,
what.
whatever.
It's like,
And then she said that, well, I'm busy later. I'm doing an assignment. So yeah.
I'm good. I'm a bit lost. Are you guys like new on campus? Because I'm new, you know?
We're in first year.
First year.
Yeah.
So I was just looking for my wife, and I think she's here. You know. Yeah. So what's your name? No. Okay. Look, I need your name. What's your name? My name is Jabs. Oh, you have a man's. Dude, look, my dad owns the strip here, so I can take you out to any restaurant here at Student Center, you know. Hello.
He said, fuck it, let's take it from bed to where is it? Ah, fuck, get fun.
What I like about this guy is that he's always persistent.
Yeah, improvise.
Like he's a very resilient guy.
Ah, the fuck.
How you doing?
I bet you right.
I'm good. You are?
This nigga, like this high five thing.
Yeah.
I think
yeah,
maybe it
that was
works.
half five.
You are hiding.
No, I think
found
more
you.
than anything is to like break the ice and touch barrier.
Yeah.
But nje mina njengendoda high five nabantu.
No, I think it's great to make them feel comfortable.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Oh, what's your name? Heidi. Oh, I'm
Heidi.
KayBee. Our name's rhyme. That's so cute. Were you going home?
I don't know actually. I'm just gonna like study.
You're just gonna study. You know what I'm thinking, right? Are you going to the library?
No. I'm
Where you going?
Center. Why? What's up?
No, I'm gonna get us like.
Answer like I want to take a tegisho. Uphisa into yakho. Misubuntu la ngaphambili. Uphisa mfethu. Cashe emva kwa something.
We're gonna be like study buddies, you know. We're gonna start off as study buddies, then we're gonna work our way up, you know what I'm saying? So obviously I'm gonna go get us a Red Bull now, you know. We're gonna have like Red Bulls, we're gonna have sweets, you know, for the library. We're gonna be those people in the library with like Red Bulls and sweets. We're gonna be so cool, you know. Can you see it? Heidi and
sweets
KayBee,
like
we're those
that.
people, you know what I'm saying? So obviously I'm gonna meet you at the student center, right? And then later I feel like we can go on a date, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, ngaze ngabhoreka. Alliance. Anifake ni game lapho. Lahlele nge-console, lahlele ne-price, ngizofaka i-sticker senu lana, promo code. Ziyo.
Cool game.
Graphics.
Saying like we can you see the vision though. What's what? It's my chest. Oh, this is a lock. Do you want the key to it?
No.
So this one is a lock. I can give you the one with the
nigga
Put a
key.
pin to that,
You don't want
This
the
nigga is smooth as hell.
What's what? It's your chest. This is where you sleep at night. This is where you know what Isfugen Sendo that means on a man's chest.
Do you want help?
Are you offering help?
Yeah. Bring help. No.
Thank you so much.
That's a popcorn maker.
You know?
Oh,
So where we taking?
Nitro Pick it breed. Ntombazana isela iyadayisa. Awe, denzani.
I'd pay $1,000 if he drops it.
I pull it.
I pulled.
you know where the submarine is?
No.
You don't know. Like that side.
I'll cover you halfway. You know.
Perfect.
For real. So what's your name? Which way are we going? This way, that way?
We should use that off-ramp thingy so we can start there and then go around.
So what's your name? Kahiso. So what? You make popcorn for? What's going on here?
Oh no,
It was a long day at work, nah.
yeah, it's an activation just to encourage people to vote. Yeah.
Wait, vote for what?
SRC.
Oh, are you participating?
I'm just a volunteer for IEC. That's all.
Nah, thing is, I believe in you, dog. You know, this is where it starts. You know, I vote for you now, and then one day I vote for you for president, and then at the wedding, I'll be like, guys, I know you see my wife, dog. I always believe. You know what I mean?
Oh, no, not
Arkanjan.
physically, but I'm shy. I don't like
Why are you shy?
talking to people.
So the whole day you
So
just.
sweet, no?
You know, it's just popcorn. The others were talking.
What's the say UP?
So you're that lady that they're like, yo, can I please have one bag?
No, not even. I did it with a smile. I did.
Was it like a smile or like a?
Like a normal smile. Like, I'm kind to people. Kind.
You see, that's why we need you as president. dog.
Oh, man. That's more than that.
I know. I'm sure you'll change the school. You'll.
It's up.
Oh, this conversation is.
This is why I leave
And
you,
then
my
like
sister.
okay, Oguti, he's dragging the like there's not enough juice to squeeze out of that topic anymore.
So at least like after the rent, yeah.
It's fine. Just say you wanna talk to me. If you wanna talk to me, it's fine. If you wanna talk to me, I'll cover you. But
Do the real thing.
Thank you so much. No problem. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Good luck with your thing.
Excuse me, ladies.
What was the point?
How are you? I'm good and good. What's your name?
I saw the email.
I'm Candace.
This is Candy. Yeah. I'm Gemma. So guys, my name is Njabulo, but you guys can call me Jabs, right? Yeah, so I just saw you from a distance. I'm black and I just love the all black on you. You know, you look cool, hey? Yeah, so what?
What I did not say he was perfect. He has...
We're not getting the land back.
Hmm?
The land is not coming back.
What about me?
I know. Okay, I really like your... Dude, I really love your outfit, you know? Like, you're really cool, but I'm, like, attracted to her, you know?
Oh, fuck, I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
She made him like yes, but I have a boyfriend.
I also have a boyfriend, you know?
What part of down bad is this?
Boyfriend.
Yeah.
Nah,
Also a boyfriend.
that was cute. That was
Cute?
Yeah, it's a cute thing to say. Not in terms of puppy cute, but it was a smart
So,
thing
you know
to
what we
say.
can do with our boyfriends, right? So, my boyfriend has a girlfriend, right? So we can go on like a double date type thing.
After 9.
But
When's what?
look, my dad also owns the club. It's like a club, you know?
We're not gonna get back the land if we're him, but we will if we're this guy.
Oba.
This
When's it
guy.
though?
Hmm?
When's it?
He's mogoling, getting back the land.
Type thing. But look, my dad also owns the club. It's like a club, you know? Yeah, so he owns like a few restaurants as well. We can go. We can have like, hey, anything you like for what? Really cool, you know? That fits like the atmosphere.
Telling white girls your dad owns a couple of businesses is the worst PR we've ever done for black people. Like, honestly, you're giving PE a bad name at this point.
Plus the sun's out, guys, you know? Yeah, that's why I had to wear my Dior. And like, yeah, guys, let me just get like, you know, you see like,
Boyfriend's not gonna like that.
he's not gonna like it.
Fine.
But look, we can just talk about it, you know?
No, I don't think so. My boyfriend really doesn't.
My boyfriend's not gonna like this.
Why? But
Ubuzobani nomunye. Noma ngeke athandeni.
Ushiwe.
Noma ngeke athandeni.
guys, my dad, can you see these like go-karts? No, not go-karts, but these like golf carts that have been like driving around the school. So yeah, my dad got a tender and like he's the one. So you guys don't have to walk.
They're taking us back. The gains of 94 are going back.
On campus, you guys can just
I wanna play Ebony. Ebony.
I never gave a stupid joke. Because
No, that could have been
like call me. You can say you're Jack.
Get on sticks in, that's the thing.
No, look.
I'm on a diet. I'm trying to lose weight, yeah.
You're trying to.
Yeah.
Baby girl, I can get you guys the best steak. You guys look like you're into
I'm a
steak.
vegetarian.
You're a vegan.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
Well, you guys have excuses for everything. Hello.
Papa, we didn't have my side now.
Akuzonishaya. Akuzonishaya.
Ngisho ukuthi ndingahlehlela ngidakelwa nje.
Aren't you guys tired of walking? You okay? Shit. Alright guys, so that didn't work, you know what I'm saying? They hate us. Obviously they don't know this is a Bentley Bentayga. Let's come here. They don't know this is a Bentley Bentayga. Alright. Hello ladies. How you guys doing? So obviously I came to pick up my two wives, you know what I'm saying? I left space for you guys. Let's just bring this box over here, you know? Are you guys coming in? In the boot. No, it's not.
I can go to the boot. One of you will drive.
You guys can drive since you already drive me crazy.
Udlala u5. Mshayeli udlala u5. Okay.
Unebhekela.
Okay.
Unebhekela.
Qhubeka.
Though you are using state funds to ride this go-kart of yours, but yes, poor me up.
So
Hello. How you guys doing? Are you guys good? I'm KayBee, you are? Megan, Chloe, Tamika. Okay, so guys, I actually want to talk to Tamika, right? Because you guys know Tamika's actually like cute and all of that. So I'm KayBee, and you know what I was thinking, right, Tamika? Because you can see I'm not like blessed in the height department, but I at least want my kids to have hope. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like like Tamika, you could bring that aspect to my life. I hope you see it for us, Tamika.
I'm so
I hope you see
sorry.
it. Tamika, don't do this to me. Don't break my heart. So we're actually just shooting a video for YouTube over there.
What did you say?
The thing is,
Tish is sorry about something.
I'm so
I hope you see
sorry.
it. Tamika, don't do this to me. Don't break my heart. So we're actually just shooting a video for
Oh,
YouTube.
the
I hope you
mic
see it for
on.
us.
You have your mic on.
I'm so
I hope you see
sorry.
it. Tamika, don't do this to me.
You
Don't
have
break
your
my
mic
heart.
on.
Oh.
So we're actually just shooting a video for YouTube.
Why the fuck
do
are they
white
putting...
girls know so much about being mic'd up?
No, why are they putting them there? The mics. You could have just, rather than party bottle, party phone,
Yeah, record a song, yeah?
or put it pantsy underneath the shirt.
The shirt, yeah.
Over there.
The thing is, I have 3 requirements.
Okay.
Man of God, taller than me, can make my pork chop the way I want it.
So, man of God, just shooting a video for YouTube over there.
The thing is, I have 3 requirements.
Okay.
Man of God, taller than me, can make my pork chop the way I want it.
So, man of God, right? Man of God sorted. Pork chop, what kind of pork chop are we talking?
A normal pork
Oh, like food. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's what chop specifically.
Okay.
Like, the meat's gotta be cooked, but the fat's gotta be like chewy. It can't be
Okay.
crackly.
Can't be crackly. Okay, the fat chewy can't be crackly. And then what was the last one?
Second, because it's very important, you have to be taller than me.
You see, when I stand on like my humor, personality, my vibes, we start to. Let's go.
Sorry, can you please stand up when you talk?
Let's go.
So we don't have the capacity.
Abapuna sayisana namhlanje. Kosa yami.
Oh, you are?
Bye bye, guys.
Hey ladies, how are you?
Hi,
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Eva.
And I must know by any chance.
Iyazi ndoda kusifuna ubona imipako. Ay, Kosa yami.
B, gents, B.
Eva, and then your name?
And there's a common theme. Go on to my video. I haven't seen like ungamlo edo chashisa. Like bao basic bonke.
And you?
Sorry.
Okay.
You can carry on.
I won't lie, I just saw your dress, I was like, you have a really beautiful dress, Yeah, so my name is Njabulo, but you can call me Njabs,
Okay.
Yeah, so like, what are you doing, like, what do you do on weekends, because, I want to take you out on, like, maybe we can go for, like, shopping, and maybe...
Dave, you
Sprite.
this line.
Oh, yes, Spritey!
Speed things up. See that barrier?
And the guys, there his pond.
Toe, go.
Goes down your dick.
What kind of demonetization are you saying? It's pond,
Versace or Prada,
My God,
and then we can just do like...
Hey. Because we eat the massive boy and do so. Let the days about Gabel and a pen. If you don't call, like, see if you don't call.
You can go to like... Have you been to Harpies before? Just come here, I want to see your eyes.
No.
Huh? You haven't? Yeah, so you have really beautiful eyes,
Thank you.
So what we're gonna do, where you from?
Actually, for the next couple of weekends, I'm probably quite busy because I'm an exchange student.
Oh, you're an
I'm from
exchange student.
Amsterdam.
Oh, you're from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
So
Yes.
you know what I'm gonna do?
Oh,
I'm gonna take you to the dam. Have you been to
Fun.
Harpies Dam?
I haven't, no.
So there are beautiful yachts there, and my dad owns like a yacht there, so we can just have a really calm vibe, go
Hey, the
for
time
the
out.
food, a private chef,
Sounds really nice.
That's what, but whenever you're free,
Okay.
Yeah, so You know, I'm gonna even take my cap off for you, you know, because I think I like your energy, hey?
Why does
And we
it
can have
keep
matching
doing this?
outfits, you know. Plus, you
Oh,
know, I
blondes.
love shopping, you know. I can get you the LV, you know, just make you look so we can match, you know.
Okay.
Right, so let me just get your numbers.
Yeah, sure.
You
I'm
know.
really not sure I'll have time, but I can give you my Dutch number.
Baby girl, this is definitely gonna be time. We're gonna buy timepieces, you know.
All right.
It's just a pity that today I'm not wearing my Rolex, you know. Because, you know, when you wear my Rolex, you have all the time in the world, you know.
Right.
Right. So you're from Netherlands?
I am.
Wow. Okay, can I have your name as well? Please
Yes,
type it
of
out for me.
course.
Andela abakayeki le nto yabuza la. Hey. Abakayeki le nto yabuza la. Basathumana namanje. Hey, nkosami.
That's me.
Oh, Eva.
Yes.
Really beautiful. Swedish.
Yeah.
You know,
Swedish too.
so I'm gonna buy some Swedish chocolates, you know. Just like, have you ever had some Swiss chocolate, like proper chocolate?
Yes.
No, not like chocolate, as in like chocolate, you know. Have you?
You wanna know?
Yeah, I wanna know.
I think I'll want to get to know you better before I ask the question. But I'm gonna go back to my friends.
I cool.
And, I'll hear from you.
Nice meeting you, nah.
That was it.
I think the first guy won.
Oh, first approach.
Well, wait, let me see.
Yeah, because it's the number.
Yeah, he also got a few numbers. How many numbers did he get?
1.
He got 1.
Because I need to know more.
Oh, konje umtshela ukuthi
Well.
badli.
Guys, we're just playing. It's a prank, nah.
Utshani.
It's just a joke, guys. We're playing, nah. Is it okay if you guys end the video?
Nata, check. We're actually just playing. We're shooting a video for YouTube, man. I don't know if you saw the voice. You're seeing us so clean.
By the way, I'm just joking. That's not the real me. It's just a prank.
Rude.
Yeah, I'm just like playing a character, like spoiled rich character. Okay. Yeah, so it's just a prank, you know. The camera's over there. You guys gave me the best reaction. You're like, yo.
Big man thing on the island.
So yeah, I guess this is it.
KayBee McGymsALot picking up
was
girls.
an entertaining video.
It was funny.
Yeah.
But lo G, like, Kosam. Ah, yeah, gag.
Playboy.
Playboy, okay, chill.
Yeah.
Okay, chill.
Shout out. Yeah, this peso.